Hello, I'm Sanja Pregl. I'm Senior Advisor at Bank of Slovenia in HR department. I am very happy to invite you to the CEF learning event Change Management and Leadership in Ljubljana. Human brain takes pieces of information from the environment and makes story out of it. Humankind, since its beginning, learns and creates stories with pieces of information around us to explain what's going on. When we plan change in the organization, we need to prepare a very good story behind it, because we need to reason and make consequences for the people. And we need to share this story with the people. Otherwise, they will create their own story, not so much in favor of the change. I'm very happy to see you in Ljubljana. Welcome.